Welcome to the video on how to collect your sample for food intolerance testing. Our test tests for over 250 food substances that one may be intolerant to. The benefit of knowing the foods that we are intolerant to is so we may be strategic in what we intake to prevent symptoms, disease, and things like inflammation. Upon placing your order, you will receive a package, and inside that package, it contains the application that requires a brief health history, signature, and states that this test is not to be used on anyone younger than the age of 1. The written directions on how to collect your sample, the card with 2 spots for placing your blood sample upon, an alcohol pad and a gauze pad. We request that you start with clean hands and then swab where you will be collecting your sample from. There are 2 single-use lancets. 1 should be sufficient, but just in case you don't get a good go, since they are single-use, we include 2. You must remove the cap, press it firmly upon your finger when you are ready to collect your blood sample, and then with the tube, collect the blood into it, and then drop a sufficient amount onto each pad in the collection pad. After that, allow your sample to dry for 1 hour before placing it in the envelope to mail back to the lab. Please note that the lab is in Canada, so if you are mailing from the US, you may use 1 global stamp or the equivalent in postage to that global stamp, or wherever you're mailing it from to reach Canada. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. And please take a look at our other nutrition tests. They all do go hand in hand. We also offer the Know Your Blood Type test so that you can eat right for your blood type and apply the foods that you are not sensitive to, as well as DHA omega-3 testing so that if you are deficient in omega-3s, we can look at the list of foods that you're not sensitive to build that back up in the system. We also do hair mineral analysis, so we can look at over 60 essential trace minerals as well as toxic heavy metals to utilize nutrition and supplementation to balance that and detoxify, as well as hair cortisol level that tells us the stress levels in the body. And for mamas out there, we do breast milk DHA and toxicity screening. Thank you.